Today we'll talk about how can you enable light mode on your setup. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click on settings here. When you just click on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to light mode, just click here in this sign. So when you just click on it here, so then here automatically it's going to change with you to light mode like you see now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.